Did you know that people process visuals 60,000 times faster than text? This fact highlights why dashboards are so powerful. They simplify complex data and help decision makers take action quickly. We will explore how to design dashboards that are visually appealing and effective in delivering actionable insights. After this lecture, you will understand what dashboards are and their importance. Learn key principles of designing effective dashboards. Discover how to make dashboards visually appealing and actionable. Let's begin by defining business dashboards. These visual statistical interfaces present key data using charts, graphs, and tables. Dashboards consolidate metrics into one easy to read interface, enabling decision makers to analyze information quickly. Imagine a business leader assessing sales performance. Instead of sifting through lengthy spreadsheets, a dashboard provides a concise summary of sales trends, top performing products, and regional performance at a glance. There are many types of dashboards available today, such as Power BI, Tableau, and Looker dashboards, which we covered in Lecture 3. However, in this lecture, we will focus on Google Analytics 4, GA4 reports, which function similarly to traditional dashboards. These customizable reports allow businesses to track and analyze digital performance effectively. Dashboards are tailored to different business needs, offering specialized metrics for various roles and objectives. While tools like Power BI and Tableau are widely used, Google Analytics 4, GA4, also provides reports that function as dashboards for web and app analytics. Let's explore the key types of business dashboards and how GA4 fits into each. Purpose: helps sales team track performance and progress toward targets. Metrics: total revenue, average deal size, conversion rates, and pipeline status. Use case: a sales manager monitors team performance and identifies which regions or products are exceeding or falling short of goals. GA4 can track e-commerce metrics such as revenue, product performance, and purchase funnels. For instance, a GA4 report can highlight which products are driving the most revenue and where users drop off during checkout. Purpose: provides real time insights into business performance for immediate actions. Metrics: production efficiency, supply chain status, and service uptime. Use case: a logistic team uses this dashboard to monitor delivery times and resolve delays quickly. In GA4, real-time reports allow businesses to monitor active users on their website or app. For example, a logistics team can track spikes in traffic during promotional campaigns and analyze how users interact with order tracking features. Purpose: displays marketing performance metrics to track campaign effectiveness and progress toward goals. Metrics: website traffic, lead generation, conversion rates, and social media engagement. Use case: a marketing director reviews campaign data to allocate the budget effectively and adjust strategies for better ROI. GA4 provides insights into traffic sources, user demographics, and campaign performance. A marketing team can use GA4 to determine which channels, organic search, paid ads, or referrals, drive the highest conversions and engagement. Purpose: offers a high level overview of business performance for senior executives. Metrics: financial performance, market share, growth trends, and overall KPIs. Use case: the executive team uses this dashboard during quarterly meetings to assess company growth and refine long term strategies. In GA4, executives can view custom overviews of user engagement, revenue trends, and retention metrics. For instance, a high level GA4 report can display growth in returning users alongside revenue trends by region. Business dashboards are essential for modern organizations. They transform raw data into actionable insights, enabling better decision making and efficient operations. Here are the key reasons to use business dashboards. Centralized data access dashboards consolidate data from multiple sources into one platform. This saves time by eliminating the need to access and analyze information from various systems. A marketing dashboard brings together data from social media, email campaigns, and website analytics. In GA4, similar reports combine traffic ad, campaign metrics, and user behavior across platforms. Real-time insights dashboard provide up-to-date information enabling businesses to make timely decisions. An operational dashboard alerts managers about production delays, allowing for quick adjustments. Similarly, GA4 real-time reports show active users and their live interactions, helping teams respond immediately to trends. Improved decision making dashboards present data visually, making it easier to interpret and use in decision making. A sales dashboard highlights underperforming regions, helping managers allocate resources effectively. GA4 can display conversion paths, helping businesses optimize their user funnels for better results. Enhanced team collaboration dashboards provide a common reference point for teams, ensuring everyone works towards the same goals. A project management dashboard tracks progress, deadlines, and responsibilities, keeping teams aligned. GA4's shared reporting options allow teams to collaborate on analyzing campaign or product performance. Performance tracking dashboards display key performance indicators, KPIs, that help businesses measure success and identify areas for improvement. A strategic dashboard shows revenue growth and market share, helping executives assess long term goals. In GA4, tracking retention metrics and customer lifetime value can support strategic decisions. Apart from the key metrics and reports, you can create and customize effective dashboards yourself. These dashboards serve as powerful communication tools, particularly for meetings and briefings. Here are the ways to use effective dashboard designs. Focus on the user's needs. Dashboards should be designed with the user in mind. Ask yourself, who will use this dashboard and what decisions will they make based on it? A marketing dashboard for social media manager might focus on metrics like engagement rates, follower growth, and top performing posts. A GA4 reporting might emphasize user demographics, traffic sources, and campaign ROI. Keep it simple and clear. Less is more when it comes to dashboards. Avoid overcrowding the screen with too much data. Focus on key metrics and use visual elements like graphs and charts to make the data easier to understand. Instead of showing a full data set, use a line chart to display sales trends over time. Similarly, GA4's line and bar charts simplify traffic trend analysis. Visual hierarchy ensures that the most important information stands out. Position key metrics prominently and use size, color, and contrast to guide the user's attention. In a sales dashboard, you might highlight total revenue in large, bold text at the top while showing detailed product breakdowns below. GA4 custom reports allow similar adjustments in report layouts. Ensure data accuracy and timelines. Dashboards are only as good as the data they display. Ensure the data is accurate and updated in real time or at regular intervals. Outdated or incorrect data can lead to poor decisions. A customer service dashboard should display the current number of open tickets, not last month's data. GA4 automatically updates metrics like active users and bounce rates. Include interactive elements. Interactive features like filters and drill down options allow users to explore data in more detail. A dashboard might let users click on a region in a sales map to view performance by city. GA4 reports include filters for device type, traffic source, and geographic location. Choose the right chart types. Use line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, and pie charts sparingly for proportions. Use consistent colors. Assign specific colors to categories and avoid using too many bright or clashing colors. Minimize text. Use labels and tooltips instead of lengthy descriptions. Test for reliability. Ensure the dashboard is clear and legible on different devices, including desktops and smartphones. Think of a dashboard as the dashboard of a car. It shows key information like speed, fuel level, and engine health in real time, allowing the driver to take action if needed. Just like a car dashboard helps you drive safely and efficiently, a data dashboard helps businesses operate effectively by providing the right information at the right time. Design a simple mock dashboard for a fictional business or organization. Choose a specific user, identify their goals, and include key metrics and visualizations. Write a short explanation of why you chose each element. Dashboards are essential graphics for visualizing data and making informed decisions. We discuss their purpose, principles of effective design, and how to ensure they're both visually appealing and actionable. Let's discuss. What type of dashboard do you think would be most useful for a business? Share your thoughts in the comment section.